So Hostinger versus Wix, which one is better for you? Now let's go over to these pros and cons and let's see which one are better for you. Now first things first, we have Hostinger here and overall score, as you can see, it is rated from tech.co and we has a little smaller rating. It's by 0.7%. Now the paid plan basically says that you have to pay a little less. Now this Wix is 15 bucks per month while this is $2.50 per month. And the Hostinger does not have a free plan, but this is very reduced. Wix does support a free plan, but you have to actually pay a little bit more if you're planning to sticking with the platform. Now, the best for case in the Hostinger scenario, we have it is the best for uptime reliability, while the best SEO features overall stands with Wix. Now, portfolio websites, we all have that cleared up. Business sites as well as e-commerce sites. Now, this is pretty much all average, and this is all what they offer. We have the pros here that the AI generated sites in 3 steps. It's basically like 60 seconds to generate a AI generated website. While here, we don't really have a lot of AI features, but the AI features can create a site in 60 seconds. So yeah, the no app market is really a con of the Hostinger. No email marketing as well as no free trial, as we have just disposed. The no template switching once published is really stupid, in my opinion. That should just claim. The number of features can be overwhelming as well, and step price increase of scaling businesses, of course, that's really important. This may vary, but you make your own decision off of these facts that I've stated here. If you want to read this for yourself, I will leave the link in the description for you to check it out. But yeah, this is basically the pros and cons from Hostinger to Wix.com.